дрессировщик это ошибка, 99% это ошибка дрессировщика. Это все равно мои дети. Не дай бог, если что-то, например, случится, я знаю, что это не будет никогда до смерти, потому что это мои дети. Я знаю и доверяю их больше, чем доверяю люди. Все спокойно, успокоили зрителей, успокоили все, и продолжал дальше. Конечно, да, я хромаю везде, потому что клык внутри мышца прямо серьезно, и снизу тоже серьезно, но все нормально.
courage. Oh. Go. Jeez Louise.
Revenge is a dish best served cold. But what if the animals are warm-blooded and hot-headed? Well then, you get instances where a llama-alpaca hybrid jumps on you and chases you out of the pen. And other times, you get instances where man's best friends brings its pack and completely destroys your property. Sometimes, revenge is well-deserved, especially if it involves trophy hunters who kill lions and invade their space. Other times, it's just a poor kid getting into a difficult situation. It's no surprise that big cats are ferocious predators. But when they attack out of pure anger, that's something that shocks everyone. This leopard has started to eat people's livestock, so the local park rangers capture her and relocated her to another place. However, the leopard refused to get out of her cage. One of the rangers, Alexander Rono, tried poking at her so she would leave, but he didn't know he had just stepped into his own defeat. Needless to say, she got out and ran to Alexander C. and clawed his face off. The poor man couldn't close his windows fast enough and had to get 21 stitches to close up his wounds. Alexander said that he learned a very painful lesson he will never forget. Neither will the internet, Alexander.
Before we move on, we've got a speed challenge for you. If you subscribe to Facts Junkie and hit the bell icon in the next 5 seconds, you'll win 10 years of incredible luck. Give it a shot. It actually works.
The caretaker of this herd decided that he wanted to mess with one of the sheep by making it run for some extra food, but he chose the wrong day. Giving birth is an awfully difficult task, not just for humans, but for all animals too, especially mama cows. Usually, cows are sweet, gentle beings, but when it comes to their calves, they will do anything to protect them. It makes sense since cows are actually very emotional creatures. And when their calf is taken away from them, the mothers often cry and grieve over the loss of their children. But this lady didn't want to hurt the cow or the calf. She was just trying to clean up after the cow who had just given birth. All she did was move forward to clean her off. But the cow thought otherwise and greeted the woman with a big kick to the face. The kick is so powerful that the woman falls on the muddy ground. If there was a match held between a human and a kangaroo, the kangaroo would take home the winning trophy and leave behind a kick worth 759 pounds of force. However, this particular story is based solely on luck. The man in this clip is out pig hunting with his dog, and somehow, his pet got into a headlock by a large kangaroo. When the man approached the kangaroo, it got startled and let go of the dog. But the man wasn't sure if his dog was safe, so he did what any local pet owner would do. He punched the kangaroo right in the face. After such humiliation, the kangaroo left promptly. That's what you would think. It retreated to the bushes for a while. But when the man came home, the kangaroo was waiting outside his doorstep, ready to continue the match. We knew that marsupials were smart, but we had no idea they were smart enough to track down their opponent. Pig hunting is a very controversial activity, and for the most part, it's completely wrong too. It's actually a serious threat to the survival of many species. A couple of hunters killed a poor lion for no reason, and his friend wasn't going to tolerate this at all. They even tried to take a picture with their saddening trophy, which also served as the perfect opportunity for the lion's friend to get some revenge. He ran straight towards the hunters, chasing them out of the
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Get behind his head. That's it.
Here?
Yeah. To the left. Beautiful.
Oh,
Yeah.
God, what a rush that was. He's so big.
Yeah. Put the gun up.
Oh.
Look straight down the camera.
Fly.
Right, I've left the camera running, so we'll get a few shots here for the wall at home, huh?
Oh, he looked great on the wall.
No, that's good. Hey, that was a really good shot, Princess. No, good,
thank
good.
you.
Best one we've had all season.
Oh, really?
Yes, absolutely, yeah.
Oh.
No, at least 200 kgs.
Wow.
Huh?
Dad is gonna lose his mind over this.
It's not so big now, eh,
No.
pussycat?
Like a
Right,
little
okay.
kitten. Oh.
Let's take one of these, huh? Get your guns out.
Oh, these
That's
ones?
it. Yeah, these ones, yes. That's it. Go, pump them. That's it.
Are you gonna work on this,
Oh,
buddy?
come on. Right,
Put on
let
this
me...
needle to it.
Yeah, well. Right, I'll just check the camera, yeah? Okay. That's right. Okay, good stuff.
frame, and then came right back to the body of his lost friend. Now this was revenge served right. What's even the difference between them? This is Misty, and it's actually a hybrid between the two already similar animals. And Misty just wanted to be alone today. You can't even blame the worker since he was just trying to do a little cleaning. But that's when Misty decided to give him a beating he won't forget. After literally jumping on him, the angry hybrid chased him out. Ouch. We've already told you how emotional cows can get when it comes to their calves. Even after a few hours of separation, these animals become visibly distressed and often cry. But this cow was not letting another human take its baby away from her. When the man picked up the baby calf, she attacked him right in the chest, which is unusual for cows. She didn't even notice that he had dropped the calf after that big blow and still ran after him. This cow decided that revenge wasn't going to be served cold. Instead, it was going to be served right now. A mother's love is tough, much tougher than you thought. Mamas are cute, and we'll see you in the next one.